So this is now how to purely refit the spark plugs in a BMW R NineT Racer. Hark back to the 70s race bikes by BMW, and let's have a look. So you're going to need a T30. You're going to need a extension. You're going to need a 14mm thin wall socket because BMW love using thin walls. You need a torque ratchet, you need a ratchet, you need a spring pull for the cover on each cylinder to pull the covers for the spark plug. And then if you want to treat yourself, get this tool, which is a BMW ignition coil puller, and it's really good at pulling out ignition coils. That's the tools you're going to need. Yeah, twin spark.
Don't use anti-seize on these threads because it already has a sacrificial layer. By using anti-seize on these threads, all you'll be doing is altering the torque. You'll be over torquing them.
Excellent!
Started to go on and then it's kind of just stopped. Does it fall off? Does it pull off incredibly easily? No. Let's say it's on then. You're just fighting it. This is very normal for someone to keep fighting these coil packs, thinking they're need to keep pushing, but it's on. You just don't get that satisfying click with them. The fact that it doesn't fall off and doesn't easily pull off says it's on. There's a lot of fake spark plugs on the market at the moment, isn't there?
Gotta be so careful where you buy them from. Top job. Okay, and that reassuring you won't wear BMW. But can you pull the coil pack out with your fingers? Nope. I'd say it's in then.
Just got to be careful not to cross-thread the spark plugs, but in the world of race bikes, this is one of the easier motorcycles to change the spark plugs on, and I hope this has helped you. Thanks for watching. Got good coffee, Kawasaki cup.